Hello everyone, this is Mr. H again. In this video, we will be analyzing graphs of parabola or graphs of quadratic equations. So for the first one, let's take a look at the given graph. So the first one, we can see that the graph is opening downward. And there are a few points that we need to identify from the graph. So the first one is the vertex. And from the graph, we can see that the vertex is here. So the vertex is actually located at -1, comma 4. And since the graph of the parabola opens downward, so we can say that the vertex is at maximum point. And the axis of symmetry is the line that passes through the vertex, which divides the parabola into two symmetrical parts. And from here, we can say that the axis of symmetry is x equals to -1, which is the h, or the x coordinate of our vertex. Now, solution. So the solution of the quadratic equation here, which is actually represented by the graph, are the points on the x-axis that the graph crosses. So if we take a look at the graph, so we can see that there are 2 points of intersection on the x-axis, and those are our solutions. And from the graph, we can see that the two values of x are actually x equals to +1, and the other one is x equals to -1, -2, -3. X equals to -3. So the second graph. So here, the graph opens upward, and we can see that the vertex is right here. So our vertex is at 3, 0. And since the graph opens upward, the vertex is at its minimum. And axis of symmetry is x equals to 3. So always remember that the axis of symmetry is an equation. So x equals to 3 because the axis of symmetry is a vertical line. And the solution here, we can say that we only have one solution here, which is x equals to 3 as well. So there's only one point on the x-axis that the graph touches, which is x equals 3. And for our last example, so graph opens upward, and the vertex is here. So the vertex is at -1, 2. And since the graph opens upward, then the vertex is at minimum value. Axis of symmetry, we take the x coordinate of the vertex, which is x equals -1. So it divides the parabola into two symmetrical parts. And for the solution, you can see that the parabola didn't touch any point on the x-axis, right? So if this is the case, we are actually looking at, you can write no solution here, or because if you're going to show your calculation using maybe factorizing or quadratic formula or completing the square method, definitely we're looking at solutions that are imaginary. So imaginary solutions. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.